To infinity and beyond! No!
Why can you not cheat? Oh, we're talking.
We're having a good time.
Oh, got it. We're gonna do 5 rounds. Whoever has the most pins wins, of course. Also, you can't go past this red line when you're pushing.
What?
All the force you exert must be exerted before this line.
Yeah.
And then you sail into...
Sweet abyss.
Oh.
I believe in you. You just
3,
sit.
2, 1.
Yeah!
Go!
Yes! That was crazy! Was that awesome? Yes.
Not
I'm proud of
too
this.
shabby.
I'm always proud of us. Yay!
3, 2, 1, go!
That round was actually void. Ooh, oh gosh, I'm so sorry, because you cheated. And so you guys have to go again and play nice this time.
Oh, wait.
So we'll see. We'll see what happens now.
What is that in the background? Is that the Wham-bulance? Oh!
Yeah, well.
Okay. Thank you. Stop tickling me. I'm ticklish, actually. To infinity and beyond!
Why can you not cheat? This is gonna be like a 2-hour-long video because y'all can't get it together. So Vitaly just wants to keep making up his own rules. We have to be very specific. You sit down on your board, you keep your hands on the board, you keep your... Vitaly, are you listening?
No, I'm not listening. I have 2 strikes.
Ready?
I'm gonna sit for this.
1,
2, 3,
No! We'll take it. That's fine. We'll take it. Innovation.
Research and development is
We're about
over.
to give you pinovation.
That's not a word.
I get it. It took me
If
a
there was
second, but I
awards
got
given
it.
for lamest jokes, you would have just won.
That didn't go so well.
No,
4's not a good score. It's less than 6,
never a good score.
which means we're
We're
We're temporarily lower.
temporarily not winning.
We're gonna win. We're still gonna win.
Yeah, we're in our infancy stage of winning. That's what we're going.
We're about about to win.
Okay. For the next round, I'm gonna push harder. Always push harder. And then I'm gonna probably.
Oh, we're not. What?
You'll see.
We're gonna try to knock down more pins.
2.
Wait, Brady, hang on a second. Don't push that way.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Of
I
0.
almost killed Jetta, guys, my best friend.
Dalton, help me count the pins.
Okay.
You guys help me count the pins. How many were knocked
I'm
over?
gonna need all
Guys, need
both
help?
hands
Guys,
and
need help
feet.
over These guys.
You know,
Hold on, wait.
This is actually just because they're bad at counting.
wait, Brandy, could you, with bowling, you knock over the pins, right?
I think I breathed on 2 of them.
And 3,
2,
2,
1, 0. See, guys, this is what happens when you want to rub it in people's faces. You get 0.
Sweet karma came back to haunt them, and it veered them right off to the right, and they knocked over
Nothing.
none.
Good fun. We're gonna win. Go! Okay. Yes! Yes! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
That's more than 0.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
9 plus 6 equals 15.
Oh, wow, you're good at math, girl.
I really am.
Oh, that's amazing. And sports.
That was adorable.
Yeah.
They're really cute.
2. We have points! We have points!
Oh, we got 6 that time, yeah?
Yeah. No.
Was it 6? 7.
we are still in the lead.
Yeah, we have 15.
Large margin.
They have 11.
Of winning.
Doing it?
Yes!
Wait, are you guys gonna have issue with this too?
You look like a small bear.
3,
2, 1.
I'll do the counting here.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I'm Italian Dalton. I did the bear move and I did good. Looking good.
It's the final countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no! I think they got 9. 3, 2, 1.
No! Go! That's a good roll!
We get the trophy. Trophy. Oh my God.
It's a little heavier than I expected. We might have been swayed by their baby bear approach, but we remained true to ourselves.
Yeah,
And
the old-fashioned way.
That pulled us for a win.
I love the feeling of winning.
I love this feeling.
It's so great.
It feels correct.
Yeah,
Feels right.
this is where we're supposed to be.
Yeah, this is where we were always meant to be.
Okay, let's take our trophy.
Okay.
We're gonna
someone's
go
jealous.
cuddle this on the couch. We're gonna go cuddle it.
So those humble winners over there. Wow. Well,
Yeah, I'm not sure what happened exactly.
I know what happened. We won in the beginning, and they said that it was illegal so that we wouldn't win. That's what happened.
Oh, that is what happened. We made up rules as we were going. I remember now.
That was amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We were playing here at Pocket Watch Studios. I'm Jetta.
I'm Brandy.
The winners.
I'm Dalton.
I'm Vitaly.
And we had so much fun. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.